You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce the name of this delicious cheese from the Savoie region in the French Alps. If you want to learn more French cooking terms and more cheeses, names from France, stay tuned. So French pronunciation, Tomme. That's the name of a cheese itself, Tomme, so Tomme cheese. Or if it's from Savoie, it's an IGP, Tomme de Savoie, Tomme de Savoie, Tomme de Savoie. If you cannot pronounce French perfectly, you can simply say it as Tomme de Savoie. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.